This is the Blitzwolf BW BR2. Alright, coming in from Blitzwolf is rather boringly packaged and boringly titled the BW BR2. This is a wireless receiver and transmitter that works off of Bluetooth 4.1. There's the model number and stuff on the back. We have a range of up to 30 feet, a 180 milliamp hour lithium polymer battery, and a bunch of different modes. Okay, so we'll dig in here and see what it's like. You can purchase this off Amazon for £26. There's links down below as to where you can get it. To be honest, £26 does seem to be quite expensive for a little Bluetooth unit, but hopefully we're going to see some quality inside here to make you want this. So far the presentation isn't spectacular. It opens that way. There we go. Thank you for choosing Blitzwolf. We have the little unit on the top there, which we will come back to, on a ledge for it to be stored in, and a bunch of other bits and pieces inside. Okay, so on the top we have the user manual for how to pair, and in various different languages. I think that's really just the same stuff that's written on the back of the box, and then some buttons to show you what the buttons do. There you are, in case you happen to lose this and are looking to find out what does what. Here we have a particularly unhappy face. If you're having a bad time with it, you've got an 18-month manufacturer warranty. Excellent, that's something you're going to want to pay for. We've got a 2-pole 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 red and white phono cables for sound transfer. We have a nice little dinky 3.5mm extension cable. That's kind of sweet. Ooh, I like that actually. Yeah, I can think of a few places I could stick that. No, wait. I can think of a few places this could be located. No, wait. Yeah, that's cool. And then there's a USB to micro USB charge cable. Alright, so Blitzwolf. Let's rock this open. We've got a bit of protective plastic on it. So here is the unit. Right, so it is plastic. I had thought from the picture that it was actually metal, but it's all plastic all the way around. On the bottom we have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB charge point. Around this side that looks like a microphone hole. On the top we have a clicky button, plastic, and a plastic power button. No, that looks like a resync button. It's got 2 little arrows pointing in opposite directions, and then plus and minus buttons. And then on the back there is nothing, and on the front we have the Blitzwolf and a power button and a little microphone hole again. Okay, so we have the TX and RX slidey function for transmit and receive, and then this button here is for pairing. So we'll have a little look and see if we can turn her on, if there's any juice in it. That's not a microphone hole, that'll be an LED. We bring in our phone, we'll have a look and see what new devices we have. We have the BW BR2. We click that, we're pairing, and there we go. So you're probably wondering what else we can show you. Well, I'm going to bring in it's actually a Bluetooth speaker, but it has an auxiliary in on the side here, so we can hook this up like so. I should really use that actually. Actually we will, because it's kind of cool. And we can have that sticking out the side of our Bluetooth speaker, sorry. And we're initially hearing some clicks and bops in order to get through. So we're going to open up a podcast. We're going to download that and start to play it. And that's pretty simple. It just sits and works. So I think the whole idea is that you can use this in your car as it's depicted on the website, or plug it into some kind of old speaker system that you really want to take advantage of that has an auxiliary in, and it'll bring that up to wireless date. These things have been around for a good long time, so it'll be interesting to see just how well this functions. It has extra buttons on it, and these allow you to switch between volume and the next song. So
instead.
Ah, very good. Well, hopefully we'll get into seeing what you've done fairly soon. Yes, so it's been a riveting... Not that it seems to be doing too much right now. However, it must be set up to track because there's nothing else in our playlist and nothing's happening whenever I press it. So then, if we were to take this, switch it across to transmit mode, then essentially we can plug this into our phone or any device that happens to be Bluetooth, and it'll transmit the audio from that to be picked up by a Bluetooth speaker. And without a screen that does seem a whole lot more complicated, pairing without a screen. But what separates this from the huge amount of Bluetooth receivers out there is that this can be paired with two different devices at the same time, because it has two Bluetooth receiver transmitters inside it, which is an excellent thing. I do like my Samsung Galaxy S8 because it also has two Bluetooth receivers, and you can pair it with two different devices at the same time and use them. This allows the same thing. It also lasts for around about 10 hours, they claim, on one charge, the little 180 milliamp hour battery inside, which is a bold statement, but I'm certainly going to put it to the test, putting it into my car and using it for as long as possible on one charge. I have to give it a full charge before I do that. So check back on the website in the next couple of weeks and I should have a review up of it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments box down below. Hit that subscribe button, tell me where I can stick this, and other than that, take care.